Welcome to Truly Remarkable Life. This week we come to you from beautiful Ajijic, Mexico, where the Truly Remarkable Life boys are setting out on separate airplanes to go abroad. Traveling from the Guadalajara, Mexico airport, there's Craig. He looks mad. And KJ, always relaxed. But they're trying to get to the great state of Texas in the United States of America. But they experience delays after delay after delay. What will it mean? Will they ever find their baggage? The black one with green trim. Will they ever get out of an Uber? After Uber after Uber. Here they are, driving through a blinding rainstorm. Have been experiencing yet another one with damaging hail. That's gonna leave a mark. Stuck in hotel room after hotel room. Oh, the humanity! Whatever will they do? Laundry, perhaps. And more laundry. Maybe they'll be adopted by a random family in the airport. Will they ever make it back to beautiful Ajijic, Mexico? Or will they go stark raving mad? Stay tuned and find out. Watch Truly Remarkable Life this week, and don't forget to buy your merch.